Good evening, students. Today we will deal with a small DD video about assembly systems. Right? So in the course design of machine elements, we have a lot of machine elements to be designed. For that, we need to understand what is the basic dimension, how these dimensions work when the assembly is done. Okay? Are you aware of this?
Wooden mallet.
Wooden mallet. What are the parts we have?
Head,
Face, and handle. Okay. So this wooden mallet is manufactured based on the two assemblies. One is head, the other one is handle. This face is the function of the wooden mallet. We are using this wooden mallet for sheet metal fabrication, everything, right? So what is this called? It's a hole, and this is called shaft. Yes, very good. Handle or shaft. Normally in all the machine elements, when we go for assembly, it will be a hole or a shaft, right? So we have two systems for assembling these two things, right? We follow two procedures to assemble this. What are the two systems we follow?
Hole based system, shaft based system.
Hole basis system and shaft basis system. Let us explain what is hole basis system and what is shaft basis system. So we are keeping the diameter of the hole constant in hole basis system. We are keeping the diameter of the shaft as constant, that is
Shaft based system.
shaft basis system. So how this hole is manufactured? Do we have any idea? Drilling, boring. So what is the difference between drilling and boring?
Sir, drilling will be like in small point or minimum field. Boring is enlargement of drilling.
Very good. Boring is enlargement of hole, drilling is making hole. So what is the difference is we have standard size of drill. For example, 4 mm, 8 mm, 12 mm drill. Okay. When we want 4.5, we cannot drill it. We have to go for drilling 4 mm. Then we have to enlarge the hole by 0.25 mm per side. So we will get 0.5 mm on the circumference. Okay. So this is about manufacturing of hole. What about shaft? How will you manufacture a shaft? By using lathe machine. Turning and facing. What is turning? Reduction of length or reduction of diameter? So reduction of diameter is turning. Facing is reduction of length. Okay. So by the way, the shaft is being manufactured. So when we go for assembling these two, we have to keep one as constant, another one as variable. Is it possible to make hole as constant and shaft as changeable? The diameter we can manufacture any kind of diameter, or we can adjust the diameter. Whether shaft is easy or hole is easy. Hole. Okay. So let us explain. Your answer is wrong, because when you enlarge the hole, you are having a diameter of 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Suppose if you enlarge the hole more than 4.5, this total integrity, a waste part there, we cannot assemble the shaft. Okay. So when we keep this as constant, we should not change anything in the hole. And when we start manufacturing shafts, suppose if we are manufacturing the shaft for 4.5, it will have a tight fit. Suppose if you reduce it with 4.3, what will happen? We will have some slide. That means there is a clearance, so that we can adjust with small wooden pieces inside and then make it assembled. Because there is no function of this handle. The function of the handle is just to hold this head. Okay. So can we see a small part inside? So what is the purpose of this small cylindrical sheet metal inside?
To hold.
Yes, to hold this handle perfectly without coming out, because when you go for hammering things, there is a possibility of head to move away from this shaft and then fall down. Okay. So in summary, hole basis system is followed everywhere because hole is kept as constant. All the assemblies, when you see the assembly of this particular wing with the arm or any assemblies which has female part and male part, we have pole basis system as the main idea behind this. Okay, so I hope you understood what is pole basis system and what is shaft basis system and how will you assemble it. Thank you.